Speaking of chips, more consolidation in the chip space. Marvell Technology is acquiring Inphi in a $10 billion deal to boost its cloud and 5G opportunities. Quoting once more from Forbes' Patrick Moorhead, whose beat continues to be absolutely red hot recently, quote, "While many people are familiar with Marvell, I think less are familiar with Inphi. Inphi creates the electro-optics chips used by networking equipment makers to connect the massive racks of servers inside cloud data centers and connect the data centers to one another. The same chips are also used to connect 5G base stations together and to the rest of the network. Consider the cloud giants' higher speed, lower latency, availability zones, or peering, which all require an ultra-high-speed fiber optic connection. Additionally, consider connecting one server rack or fleet to another in the highest speed way possible. Inphi's chips power those connections. For wired and wireless carriers, Inphi products connect different parts of the network with fiber optics requiring Inphi's digital signal processing, DSP chips, analog support chips, and drivers. As industry data disaggregation increases, which I believe it will, the need increases for fiber optics. What made Inphi so successful was that it cracked the code on higher order modulation using PAM4 DSPs for shorter distances and coherent DSPs for longer distances. Since 2018, Inphi has racked up a 40% CAGR and currently had an eye-popping 90% growth for the quarter. The two companies also share many cloud, carrier, OEM, and module customers, so you could imagine a scenario where customers look at Marvell as a one-stop shop for networking. Marvell is a market share leader for compute for the wireless carrier base stations, and Inphi is the interconnect between the front haul and back haul. In the cloud data center, Inphi is a leader in and between the data center with its photonics interconnects. Marvell then adds its smart NIC, or now referred to as a DPU, and storage networking. In the future, I can see synergy in a combined custom and ASIC opportunity leveraging both Marvell and Inphi, end quote.